Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today I'm going to take a look at a series of cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, and these are all brought to us by iPulse. Let's check them out. Now, for those of you who are looking for a case that's going to satisfy the ability to carry credit cards, the wallet cases are very popular amongst all the case models for many of the phone manufacturers that you see in the market today. So today we're going to take a look at some genuine leather cases that are going to allow you to, first of all, carry credit cards as well as IDs, but at the same time, protect your phone. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. Now, taking a closer look at the cases do feature a all leather build and fantastic high quality stitching throughout, so you don't see any loose stitches anywhere, right, at all. And it also features a magnetic clasp that is self-guiding, so as you close your case, it automatically goes into place. What I like about this design is that it's not an over the case type design, and this type of clasp tends not to interfere with your phone or your touch sensitivity whatsoever. In addition to that, as you look on the inside, you do have the ability to store your IDs or credit cards with easy push access. So you have the ability to store 3 of them, and you do have an internal wallet where you can put some cash or put some additional IDs. Everything is nicely done, nice stitching. It has an internal TPU case that's going to hold your phone, and once again, once it closes up, you do have some really nice protection that's going to take place. So the event that you do drop it, you don't have to worry about opening it up, and also you don't have to worry about the corners, because between the TPU and the leather, since they come out so much, you're going to have really good protection. Now, the case is available in a couple colors. So here we have one of them, and we have the other here, which is black. Exact same experience, except in the black color. And then what you see right here is the S9 version. So S9 and S9 Plus. So let's check and see what the phones look like inside. Alright, so we'll go ahead and take a closer look now. I have an S9 and an S9 Plus into this case, and the first thing we'll see is the kind of protection that you get. So you'll notice that the leather, how it comes out here in the sides, we'll put this in an angle, so you get some good protection there. And also, given that the case ends here and you have some additional material, it's going to have some bumper protection in the case that you do drop your phone. You'll notice on the bottom, all your ports are exposed, which means you'll be able to charge, listen to music if you're connecting it, or even if you have it closed, you'll be able to listen to music because the speakers are not going to be covered in any way. In the back, you have some really good camera protection. Notice the depth there. Easy to access your fingerprint sensor. Everything is nicely aligned, and again, it's just a very clean stitch. Overall, high quality leather case. When you open it up, you can see your phone. You don't have to worry too much about screen protection with the corners, because obviously it's having this kind of protection. You don't have to worry about that. So if you do drop it, this is going to serve as cushion. Now, I still recommend having a glass screen protector on, and I do have my dome glass screen protector on, because as you put cards and things here, I just don't want anything scratching my screen. You can use this in a viewing angle, so you can put it like this and use it for media consumption as well. And then once again, this will support wireless charging. No issues with wireless charging with any of these cases. So guys, that concludes our review of the iPulse leather wallet cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.